Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make an outline text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the left hand side and click on Text. Now add a heading. Let's type something here. For example, outline text. Now go up to the top and click on Fonts. As you can see that there are several fonts options available here. Let's select a font. Or let me search for a nice font here. For example, Nexa Script. Okay. For this video, let me choose this font. Now let's increase the font size and adjust this text in the center of this template. Now go up to the top and click on Colors. Let's change the color of this text. Let me select this color here. Okay, so now go to the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down and click on Download. Select the transparent background and download this image. Now click on Add Page here and upload the image that we just downloaded and place it on this template. Let's change the background color of this template. Now go on the top here and click on Edit Photo and scroll down and select Shadows and click on Glow. And now let's adjust the size. Increase this up to 18% here. And the blur amount should be 0%. Let's reduce angle to 0% here. And you can now adjust the distance as per your requirement. Let's keep it around 5%. Now let me select white color here. And now let's increase the intensity to 100%. Okay, so now we can download this image. Go up to the top right hand side and click on Share. And scroll down to click on Download. Select the transparent background and download this image. Now click on the Add page here and upload the latest image that we just downloaded and place it again on this template here. And adjust the size of this image as per your requirement. Now scroll up to the first page and click on this font and copy the color code. Now scroll down again and select this template and click on Edit Photo at the top here. And scroll down and click on Shadows and select Glow. Increase the size to around 12% and reduce the blur amount to 0% and angle to 0% and distance to around 5%. And now update the color code that we just copied from the first page and select the color. And now increase the intensity to 100%. Now we have to download this image again with a transparent background. Let's do it. Okay. Now let's click on Add Another Page here and upload the latest image that we just downloaded. Adjust the size of this image on this template as per your requirement, and then click on Edit Image option here at the top. Scroll down and click on Shadows and select Glow. Increase the size to 8 to 10% and reduce the blur amount to 0% and angle to 0% and distance to 0% and select white color and increase the intensity to 100%. See, that was so easy. Now you have a beautiful outline text effect. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.